Hi, I'm Nick Pierce, the Barefoot Prepper from Are You Ready Radio in the Zombie Outpost here in Wilmington, Ohio. We sell these permanent matches. These are very popular if you've ever gone to a lot of social media or even up all night, different ads all over online, Google, you name it. You'll always see these matches advertised like $9.99. These things we sell for like $2.99, $2.50, probably $3 tops. Very handy to have in your survival kit. They're also a part of our fire kit. What some people don't realize, though, is that they need to be filled with fluid, because if you strike them and you light the wick, it just burns out. So I want to show you real quick how to fill it up. You can use lighter fluid. You can use charcoal lighter fluid or regular Zippo lighter fluid. You can also use kerosene, lamp oil, tiki fluid, anything. The main difference, though, between the lighter fluid that you buy in a yellow container like this for lighters and lighter fluid that you would buy to light charcoal with is one is methane or alcohol based, as opposed to this one is not. But I want to show you real quick how to fill this thing up. A simple couple squirts. You get it in your reservoir there, because this is the compartment here that holds the oil. And I find that for these rectangular ones that we sell, about a 10 count pour works just fine. Take your wick. Again, never light this when it's dry. Dip it in there, get it good and wet. And when you go to light it, you'll notice how your wick looks a lot darker. I take my finger, I hold it over the top. Once you scrape that new layer off, thing lights right up. And there it is, your permanent match. This thing will burn as long as that wick is wet, and it won't burn out on you. Blow it out before you put it back in, screw it on, put it back in your pack or in your fire kit, and you're good to go. And check out some of our other videos. Click on the link at the bottom of this one. Go to zombieoutpoststore.com or check out our radio program that we do on Fridays once a week. Are You Ready Radio? Nice, simple, easy, and very handy. So I hope that I helped you seriously think, prepare, and answer the question, are you ready? I'm Nick Pierce, the Barefoot Prepper here at the Zombie Outpost from Are You Ready Radio. Thanks for tuning in.